Yo, yo. So, I got my BC coilovers. As you can see here, I got it in the package. I'm gonna go ahead and just tear it up and see what's up. Woo! Look at that. Yo. Looks like fronts, backs in the middle. Wow. Dude, this is super light. Backs, rear springs, and then front springs. Ugh. Dude, oh my god, look at this. This is a really nice coilover. BC Racing's. Alright, so BC Racing coilovers were my dream coilovers. They were the spring suspensions I've always wanted ever since the beginning. So here are my, I'm thinking it's max speeding rods or whatever, but they're blown. It's blown. Let's go ahead and just cut to it. So I'm replacing my eBay coilovers with some real high quality BC Racing coilovers. And so let's just get to it. Alright. I got the car in jack stands. Now I just gotta remove the wheels. Alright, 4 wheels are off. First thing I'm gonna start with is the rear subframe. So pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead and just go for it. I need to remove my exhaust out of the way, so oh, there we go. Actually, I gotta get my shocks off first. Alright, so I got the diff off, or I mean unbolted. Now I just gotta take it off. It's kind of heavy. It's finally out. It is LSD. You can see both of them spin. Seems like it's good. So now here's the weld. I mean the crack. Ooh, look at that. So you can see where split right through, all around, all the way. Sheesh. Oh, all right. So I'm gonna try my best to weld it. If I have to bring it to someone, I probably will. Jeez, even this part's cracked. Pretty sketch. Yeah, the weld's broke on this side. Alright. This is gonna suck. So, I just did my research. And this is really easy, really seized in the bushings on a new one, so I'm gonna have to cut this off. I have no choice. I'm gonna have to cut these control arms. I'm gonna have to get in there as best I can until I cut this thing off, because it's effed. Well, I mean, it's seized, but that's common. I mean, you're usually gonna have a seized bushing like that, or control arm. But I didn't really show you guys this. But yeah, here's my cracked subframe, or maybe I did show you it, but look at this. It moves. So that was what was causing the Supra to have a loose rear end. So I got my BC coilovers, but there's no way I can ride like that because this bolt keeps getting loose on the diff, and you can see there's a little crack right there too. Carries on, it's splitting this part out. So yeah, the real pain is going to be taking off the camber arms here. I got this one off, and man, it was really tight. I had to get my extended bar just to break it loose. But not only that, I'm gonna hope this part can just hammer out, and if not, I'm gonna have to cut this one too. So lots of grinding and cutting. I got my Sawzall there. It's somewhat doing something. It's gonna take a long time with the Sawzall. The grinder might be a little bit faster, but I only have so much room to get in there. Oh man, I was not expecting for this to be a lot of work, which is something I should have expected it to be. So yeah, this is gonna be a real pain. I'm gonna have to take off all these arms. Alright, change of plans. These camber control arms are taking too long to cut off, so I'm gonna go with try to re-weld my wood subframe again, even though there's a huge crack in it. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start grinding it, and actually I could move it together too, so I can make the gap closer. Alright, I went ahead and got my rope here, tied the bushings together to get the gap tighter, and here's what I've got so far. So this is looking a lot better. Now all I gotta do is weld it, and hopefully that all goes well from there. I'm gonna have to figure out something for this, but I'm not too worried about it. Okay, ready? Going in hot. You might need some light for this. Oh, okay, maybe it's a little bit too hot. I just gotta make sure I don't catch on fire. Okay, I'm gonna just go for it. Alright, it's been a long time since I've welded, so yeah, as you can see, it's a bunch of pigeon shit, but it's pretty solid. I'm gonna grind it back down, clean it up, and redo it. Looks kind of solid, just not clean. Alright, yo, I got the homie here to help me out with the welds. The professional here. But yeah, he's gonna go ahead and just tack it a little bit and make it look good. Better than, you know, I mean, you guys saw how my welds were. But yeah, so far it's coming along. Gonna finish her up tonight. Okay. Oh, made a hole. All right, this is it. Final product. Doesn't look the best. All right, final product. That's what it looks like. All right, so I got my paint on the welds. Now I'm just gonna put everything back together and just throw it back on there. I already got the BC coilovers on there. All I gotta do is throw it on and adjust the height. Other than that, I got one more BC coilovers here I gotta do, which is the driver's front. I got all 3 coilovers on there except one. I'm gonna end the video there. I've been wanting to post videos, so I'm gonna make a little teaser of like just revving it. But yeah, I feel like this video is gonna be long enough. Next video would be adjusting the height, or maybe adjusting the height, I don't know. But yeah.